Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineering Basics course. This course will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental concepts of AI engineering and their practical applications. Throughout this course, you will learn about the basics of AI, such as how machines can learn and adapt information, and how to develop algorithms that can automate tasks. You'll also explore different techniques and methods on how to enhance AI's performance and accuracy. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in AI engineering, which will allow you to create intelligent systems that solve complex problems. Join us now and enhance your knowledge in AI engineering to stay ahead in the industry. Welcome to the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. In this chapter, we will discuss the basics and provide a clear definition of what artificial intelligence means. AI is the simulation of natural intelligence in machines that are programmed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. The foundations of AI include programming languages, algorithms, and data structures that are used to solve complex problems and enable machines to learn. As we embark on this journey, we hope to provide you with a solid foundation of AI principles and applications that will help you understand the potential of this rapidly evolving field. Welcome to the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. In this chapter, we will introduce the concept of AI and its basic principles, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, used in various applications like healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI is crucial for automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enhancing efficiency in various industries. Explore AI types and their real-world applications. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI is transforming industries. Expert systems use rules to make decisions based on data, with applications in medicine and finance. Real-world applications of AI vary based on the type of AI being used. Multi-turn prompts are essential in AI prompt engineering, allowing for natural and engaging conversations between users and AI systems. Creating effective prompts is crucial in AI prompt engineering to ensure successful communication with users. Testing is crucial in AI prompt engineering. Follow best practices to ensure accuracy and reliability of your AI models.
This video is a walkthrough of CourseBuilder. This is a walkthrough across all the steps from creating a new course, using update prompts to send new prompts to AI, and creating a video from the content of the course. At every stage in the course building process, you will have the ability to edit the content, whether it is topic, subtopic, body copy, or voiceover. Let us begin. I'm going to start with saying I want to create a new course, and let's give a name to this course saying AI Prompt Engineering Basics. This is very important that the name of the course should be relevant, because this is one of the most important elements of the inputs in the prompt going to AI. So this has to be very, very relevant, though you can change the topics and subtopics in the next few steps. We have two ways of creating a course. One is we can ask AI to provide us the content, or we can upload a PDF, maybe a book, maybe a report, anything that we have in the PDF format. In both the cases, we have the ability to upload a curriculum. A curriculum or a syllabus or a combination of topics and subtopics. If you intend CourseBuilder to create a course according to your own set of topics and subtopics, then you need to upload your own curriculum in an Excel format. We also have the ability to change the language, so we can select English or any other language that has been pre-configured in the system. Though you can have as many number of topics and subtopics, to make it little faster, I'm going to have one topic, 20 words for the summary of the topic, let's say 40 words for the voiceover of the summary, 3 topics 3 subtopics per topic, number of bullets, number of words per bullet, and let us take 20 words for the voiceover of every bullet. Well, in the next version of the system, we are going to be selecting a template before we come to this point. These parameters of number of bullets per subtopic, etc., are template specific so that the content can flow seamlessly into a template. Once we select the template, then these will happen totally automatically. Let us go ahead and say save and next. When we say save and next, AI will provide us with a list of suggested topics for this particular course. We do have the option to edit this topic. The topic suggested is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and if you are happy with it, we can go save and next. Of course, we can add another topic if we wish to. Once you do save and next, for this particular course and this particular topic configuration or combination, CourseBuilder sends the new prompt to AI and gives us a list of subtopics. And we can define what subtopics do we want. Now, there is this important feature called update prompts. Update prompts is if you want to override or tell AI to do something specific. So let's go to this interface. It allows us to create the content for an audience, beginner, immediate, or intermediate or advanced. Prerequisites is if the learners have already learned something, you can specify it here. So AI will not include that type of a content. If you have specific learning objectives, you can specify here. Description is to add some more context to the prompt. So let me give and say include definition of multi-turn prompts in this subtopic as one of the points, or bullets. Remember, you need to first reset it, which will reset the original prompt that went to AI, and update the prompt, which will include the additional context that we have provided. Once you have updated the prompt, you say add, and now we have updated a particular prompt, and we say save and next. At this point of time, for the combination of the course, topic, subtopic with the updated prompt, a new request goes to AI to give us the body copy for all of those topics and subtopics. So let's see what we have. So we have a topic, we have 3 subtopics, we have a topic summary, and if we click on the subtopic, we can get a list of all the body copy points in the subtopic. And if we go in here, as requested, as suggested in the update prompt, multi-turn prompts defined is now been included as one of the points. We can edit it. For example, I can see that there are 3 different points which have been included by AI in a single point, which is not correct. So I'm going to go and edit it, and I'm going to remove the additional information which I do not need. So this is where you can see that a subject matter expert has a lot of control on the content being created, to edit the content, edit the topic, subtopic, and even include a new point or a new topic, new point, new body copy if he wishes to. If we are happy, we say save and next. At this point of time when we save and next, once again there is a prompt that goes, which will now create the voiceover for every single point that we have created. So definition of AI, we have a voiceover for that. AI application, we have a voiceover for that. This is the slide template that we are going to use to flow the content. We can add an image to this particular scene if you wish to. All that you really need to go is to click on this. The keywords are carried forward automatically and you can add an image. However, in this particular situation, we see that there is one vertical image that I can add. So I want to be sure that I'm selecting a vertical image. So I go to add image, select a portrait image, and these are the keywords that have been automatically selected, and based on this particular keyword I can select any image. So let us just quickly select this particular image which is contextual to the topic on which I am writing, and say add. This is for scene number 1. We have 3 scenes. So let's go to the next scene. In the next scene I'm going to pick up a different image, and let us say I pick up this particular image for the next scene, and I add this image, and I go to the next scene, which is the last scene, and I add one more image to the last scene. Not only an image, you can also add a video if you want. If the videos are available, you can add a video. I'm selecting this particular image and once again doing an add to this particular image. Well, in the next step, if we save and go to the next step, you can see there is a series of templates that we can choose from. Currently we have only one template that is associated with this particular version of CourseBuilder. Hopefully in the next few days or week we will be able to select the template at an earlier stage, in which case it will be easier for us to do many of the things. Well, for now let us go back to step number 4, and we can see that there is now a new option here saying create video. So when we click this option called create video, it loads our video builder. It says that any content changes that we do in the video will not be reflected back in CourseBot. Well, again, some point of time in future, we are going to make sure that we have a two-directional interface where changes made in video are also reverted or reflected back into the content management system. Now the system will automatically load our video builder, and it will allow you to see how the content has flown into the video builder based on the template. It will allow you to do a lot of changes in the video builder, whether it is the layout, whether it is the content, whether it is the voice artist that you want to select. A lot of those changes can be made in the video editor, and then once the changes are made in the video editor, you can create an MP4 rendering from the video editor. So this is the headline of the video, this is the course scene, this is the voiceover script that has been there. Once again we can edit anything here. This is what we call a topic separator, which starts a new topic. This is the summary of that particular topic, and from here onwards the slides are giving us the points of which are contained into that particular subtopic. There are 3 subtopics as we are aware of, and we had included, if you remember, multi-turn prompts in the last subtopic which has come into this video. Well, a couple of things which are important here. This particular panel that you see here, if I click onto this particular panel, I am able to see all the voiceover artists, their languages that are available, and I have the ability to be able to change or select any particular accent or language. So when I click on this, I can see that I can select the language, English, African, Hindi, whichever language that I want to select. I can select all the voiceover artists. I can preview. For example, we have Arya, and we want to see how her voice sounds.
Multi-turn prompts are essential in AI prompt engineering.
So we can preview that, we can change the artist, we can apply the voice to that particular scene, or we can apply the voice to all the scenes. Anyway, I'm going to continue with what we have already done, which was designed and pre-configured with the template, so I'm not going to make any changes, but this is where you could possibly make the changes. There are images available for you to make the changes. You can pick up a particular image, and if you remember, on this particular scene we picked up this particular image, we picked up this particular image which is for the second scene. This is what we call a digital avatar. Digital avatar is essentially a synthetic version of a human face with lips synced according to the voiceover. At this point of time, when I do the play, there will be no lip syncing because it's in a preview mode. But once I render, which creates an MP4 file, then you will be able to see the lip syncing. Well, you also have the ability to change the avatars. So we can, instead of this particular avatar, we can select any other avatar. So you could go to this avatar option in the menu here, and you can see a list of all the avatars available, and you can basically select a different avatar if you want to select a different avatar. So there is a lot of flexibility available here. Once I am happy with all of these changes that I need to make, I can click on the play button. So this play button will play the entire video along with the voiceover.
Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineering Basics course. This course will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental concepts of AI engineering and their practical applications. Throughout this course, you will learn about the basics of AI, such as how machines can learn and adapt information, and how to develop algorithms that can automate tasks. You'll also explore different techniques and methods on how to enhance AI's performance and accuracy. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in AI engineering, which will allow you to create intelligent systems that solve complex problems. Join us now and enhance your knowledge in AI engineering to stay ahead in the industry. Welcome to the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. In this chapter, we will discuss the basics and provide a clear definition of what artificial intelligence means. AI is the simulation.
So I've done a pause here, but this would go through all the scenes and give you a nice, good play preview along with the voiceover, and everything is in your control. Layout, text, images, and voiceover text and everything you can control. And once you are happy with the entire project, you can click the render button. Once you click the render button, it will have the option to turn on the subtitles, so that you can do a subtitle basically on at the bottom here, a running subtitle. You can define the resolution at which you want to create the output. It could be a 1080 or a 4K resolution. Currently it tells you that this particular video that we have generated is a 1 minute and 23 seconds video. I'm not going to do the rendering here. The idea was a walkthrough, because once we do the rendering, then that is the point at which the video editor charges you for every minute of rendering that is done, and it could also take a few minutes to do the rendering. Well, this was the first introductory video that we had which took you right from the stage of creating a course, all the steps to edit topics, subtopics, body copy, voiceover, and ultimately create a video from that particular course, which can then be included as an MP4 within your learning management system. Thank you.